Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In today's video, we'll take a look at a template that I've made called Application Onboarding. Now, this particular template is really useful if you are creating an onboarding pack for new people who have joined your team, new starters who have joined your team, and you want to put something together. So this template just starts with information on how to use this template. Then you can also have some start here descriptions here informing people about your template, informing people about your team culture, and what to expect in this team, in this company, and in this template itself. So, and then some information around here that you might want to add. Then you go on to the application onboarding. So this is again just an example, but let's say if you have a React application that you want people to onboard to, you might have sort of like a mind map of elements that go out of your application and then links or even some more further documents that you might want to link. So you might want to link a license, code of conduct page. You might want to have some visual mockups, which you can add to the Miro board, or you can have some tech debt or improvements that you want to workshop with and you want to prioritize. So you have some ideas over here. Um, and you might, for new starters especially useful is how to contribute to the repository. So you might want to have some contributing guidelines included in this mind map as well. What's also cool about this template is that it comes built in with some interactive pieces, like this, where you can get feedback from new starters, how they think this template is working for them. Is it easy to understand? They can put their feedback on the scale. Um, they can interact with these sticky notes as well. Maybe they want to prioritize a couple of tickets. They can add their voting, some dot voting going on here. Or at the end of the onboarding experience, they can um, i- interact with this poll to let you know how easy or difficult their onboarding experience was. So it comes baked in with some interactive bits. Now, a fun fact about this template is when I was building this template, I actually used Miro AI to build the entirety of this template. So it's right from the screenshots to the mind map, to most of the text over here. Of course, I did add the interactive bits myself, but rest everything actually was AI. And that's what I've mentioned here as well. Actually, it's just a AI prompt that I've been typing into and created this template from. So if you do want to know how to create a template using Miro AI, do let me know in the comments below because I will be making a video soon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like this template. If you are interested in checking it out, you can click on the use template button over here to copy it across to your Miro board. Um, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, please. That really helps this channel to grow. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more to come on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.